Hello everyone, myself Nilesh Lakshane. Today's date is 23 Feb 2022. Today's my video topic is string constant, it means SCP. So let's discuss about SCP. So in the Java string is most important topic. There is a number of concepts to relate the string, but string is a pooling concept is one thing to string is string concept in Java. Okay. So it is the byte trick. So in this section we are going to discuss about string constant. Okay. So what is string constant pool? So string constant pool is nothing but the storage area of storage area of area in Java heap area. Okay. So where string is literal store, it also known as string intern pool or string constant. Okay. So it just like a object allocation, but it default the empty and it private maintained by the Java string. Okay. So in string, it class is whenever we create a string and string object it occupy the some space in the heap memory. But it creating the number of string, creating a number of string may be increased to cost and memory, which may be reduce the performance also. So in Java perform some step during the initialization of string it literal and increase the performance and decrease the memory load. The decreased load of number string is object to create the JVM and string class keep to full string. When we create a string literal, the JVM is firstly check the literal in the string pool. If the literal is already present in SCP, it means string constant pool, but it return the reference to the pool instance. If literal is not present in the pool, the new string object it take place in the string. So now how to creating the string in Java. Okay. So suppose the string literal the string s1 you take in double quote to ABCD, and string s2 also you take the string to s2 in double quote ABCD. But we check in SCP, see, there is already present in the string s1 address. Okay, so there we can there is not create the object. But suppose there is we create a new keyword create a new keyword s2 ABCD, but there are there are two objects it's creating SCP and heap memory. It allocate the first SCP inside the heap area and outside the SCP. It means string constant. Okay. So in first we create string literal. Suppose in string constant pool in the string constant it there are in internal method. It put the string in the string pool, it refer to another string, it form the string pool is but having the same value, it return the string from the pool. If the string pool is already contain the string equal to the string object, it determine this string is by using the string equal object. Okay. So this method, if the string is not already existing, the string object is added to the pool and it reference to the string object is returned. Okay. For two string, suppose string 1 and string 2, string word is inter method is equals to string inter method string s2 inter method, it will be returned true. But if the statement string 1 is equals to string 2, it will be true. So, suppose there will create a string literal and suppose the example of string s1 to in double quote ABCD, and second one which create a new keyword in s2 ABCD in double quote. then we insist out s1 equals to s2, so then the answer is false because there is allocate the address but not it contain the equal. Okay, so this is all about string constant code. Thank you.